When it comes to email marketing for creators, two tools often come up as top choices: ConvertKit and MailerLite. Both promise to help you grow your audience, send professional emails, and automate campaigns, but they take slightly different approaches depending on what you need and how you like to work. ConvertKit is built with creators in mind. Its interface is clean, simple, and focused on helping you manage subscribers and send targeted campaigns without distractions. One of the standout features is its tagging system, which allows you to segment your audience in very precise ways. This is great if you want to send specific content to people based on their interests or actions. Automation in ConvertKit is visual and easy to follow, letting you set up sequences that feel personal without needing coding skills. It also integrates well with most popular creator platforms, from e-commerce stores to membership sites. Pricing scales with your subscriber count, and while it is slightly higher than some alternatives, many creators find the ease of use and focus on audience growth worth it. MailerLite, on the other hand, is known for flexibility and affordability. It has a drag-and-drop editor for emails and landing pages, making designs straightforward even if you are not a designer. Its automation features are robust, though slightly less visual than ConvertKit, but still powerful enough for complex workflows. MailerLite also provides built-in analytics, pop-ups, and forms, which makes it easier to manage campaigns without juggling multiple tools. Pricing is very competitive, especially for smaller lists, which makes it a strong option for creators just starting out or looking to keep costs low while still getting advanced features. In the end, creators looking for seamless subscriber management and simple automation often prefer ConvertKit. Those who want a budget-friendly solution with flexible design and campaign options often lean toward MailerLite. Either way, both tools can take your email marketing to the next level while keeping the process manageable and effective.